Monday. Mira, ¿qué pasó con mi inglés? Mira, ¿qué pasó con mi inglés? Oh, no puedo poner inglés. ¿Qué me pasa? Oh, no. Maestra, me tiene que ayudar. Usted me tiene que ayudar. Se me fue el inglés. Okay. Chef Pinot, I don't know what you're saying, but... Not me! You cooking that? Yes, I called you. Anyway, my name is Chef Pinot, hey, welcome to my show. Again, the cats. You look like Mega Mario, but he's not. Mira, ayúdame, pobre. Mira, ayúdame. Okay, Chef Pinot, calm down. All you gotta do is follow me. Okay. Wow, it's raining. He doesn't realize it's cloudy outside. Oh well. Alright, whoa. Whoa. Wow. 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 Wow, what a raining day. It's cloudy. Maybe we should get back. Stupid dog. Well, I don't like it. Get out of here. Get out of here. Go over there. Hey, my English is back. That's great, Chef Pinot. Soon you'll be fired. What? Nothing. Alright! I wanna kick him out. But we can't. It's gonna be raining. Darn it.